fast, y'all. Boy, I'm telling you. It need that parachute. What's up with it, man? How you been?
What's up? I need a big nigga jumpsuit.
Oh, you need one of these?
Look out, look out.
Man.
I might need a 8X with this one.
Yeah. Nah, this just, I think this might just be large.
Oh.
Large but long.
I don't roll that way. I get a hoodie though.
Yeah.
Get a hoodie though.
Both of them kind of down. Can you bring your own Hennessy in the flask? Yeah, that's what I need to start doing. I'm finna go and cut down now. You right, Nicodemus. I'm trying to get, I'm gonna pick it up Monday. It just don't run. I don't know why it don't run. Ain't no part, bro,
but it
don't
run. I got one for you. I got 2 at the house.
Okay, save one. Don't tell nobody. I want the best one. Huh? I see a, what's up with it, man? How you doing today?
Doing pretty good.
Oh, really?
How you doing?
Man, I'm having a all right day, man. I went and recorded some RC cars earlier.
Yeah?
Then I drove back. It was 2 hours away. I drove back over here and started recording this, man. I've been up since about, what, 7 this morning? Oh, yeah. I've been recording. I've been live and everything. Look out, who deserves a gifted sub? What's a gifted sub? What do that do? You can get that to somebody? And who would you give it to? Like, so I can know what kind of people deserve it. $4 and you make more than them. Oh, okay. $1.50 per drink. Okay. Okay, I'm gonna tell them $2, man. I need to make $2 a drink, man. Yeah, man. Okay, who should I, oh, you just shared the hood, appreciate it, man. This thing here clean, ain't it, man? Like a little toy. Look out, man. What year is this? It's a 70. You sure got it clean, man. You got it looking like a toy. It look like a toy, man, old Matchbox or something. They got it clean, man. That's how you play with that on your Hot Wheels or something. People who always on here. Okay, the people that's always on here, let me tell you who they is. Twisted Soul, Nicodemus, 601 Jack, he up there sometime. It's Rick, Jack D8, he up there too. But really, Nicodemus, oh, Tech Guy Brian, he just came. He ain't been so long. Damn, a high booty man, he be coming too. But he knew. I think, man, Nicodemus, bro. Nicodemus too, man. I think he the one who deserves a gifted sub. Let's give it to him. Yeah, next time. Well, really, I mean, but really, if I need to give it to the person who do the most for me, I don't think he need nothing, but he might. It's Twisted Soul, though. Twisted Soul, like, #1. Like, he #1 for real.
Like that, what happened?
Twisted Soul, he do everything, man. He like Kit with the Night Rider car. You know what I'm saying? Like, that's like my Kit. Like, I be done. I can hit Kit up. Hey, what time is it? Kit on it. It is 4:87. I don't know, man. Kit on it, man. I'll tell you, he know all the information I need, man.
You gonna be ready next year and bringing the SS out?
But I think he got it like that already, man. I don't know. I think, but if he ain't got it like that already, Twisted Soul, he deserve it all. The #1, man. And then it's Nicodemus. And then I'll name the rest of y'all down the line. I know who it is. I know who be here. Tech Guy Brian, he usually be here. It's out of Jag D08. Jag D08 be in the rush to get up in here, and sometime I give him an 80. And who else is that, man? 601 Jack, he be up in here too, really. Nova Lover, he be late all the time.
Subscribe to what I get.
You all the way down there, man. I got some real I got some real diehard. I ain't lying. I go live, I know who coming. Thundercock, Team Thundercock, he gonna be in there. Twisted Soul, that's my kid, man. It's like I can't go without him. I've been following, yeah, I'm trying to get it ready. Rod G1, he been following me for 10 months.
Wow. Hey, I be watching at home on the big screen.
Damn, that's a long time. That's player, man.
What happened to your live yesterday?
Team Thundercock is always here when I'm here. Yeah.
XTREME.
Oh, look at that. Twisted Soul, it been there 11 months. That's my boy. You got Gap. Yeah, he cool too, but he probably got a job or something. 88B series, it seems like he just got out of jail or something. I barely heard from him. Cranky Puppet. Damn, Cranky Puppet, you been on, even know you barely come in. He been on there 10 months. Where the hell he been? Jay Slaves. I met Team Thundercock earlier today. I walked outside. I want to know how I knew it was him. Next thing I know, I heard, I said, God damn, what the fuck is this noise? Oh, that's Team Thundercock.
Look out!
What's up, man?
Look out!
You ain't ran him yet?
Nigga named Dugout.
Man, that motherfucking ass always trying to find out. I'm telling you what Quinn be doing. So I like exposing motherfuckers.
Yeah, tell him something.
Quinn like to, he won't see me run James.
Yeah.
James run somebody else.
Yeah, I be
sizing.
sizing.
Motherfucker up.
No,
Yeah.
I really be wanting.
I can beat him. I heard on every damn video. He come up.
They be
that's
listening,
K-Dog.
man.
I'll see if he's still in my class.
Yeah, I had to go check. What's up with it, Clip? It looked like he was still in there. He's still in the class. He ain't got out of line.
He need to change his motherfucking name to Dugout. Fucking look out, he's Dugout.
I tried to see. I be looking to make sure. But damn it, he's still in my class.
Quinn told me, he said, man, I be telling motherfuckers everything I got going on. I be trying to scare them motherfuckers. I told Quinn I'll blow that bitch up trying to run your ass.
Yeah. Man, that scaring shit. I got one motherfucker scared the motherfucker, boy. I'm telling you. He don't want to fuck with me. I ain't got to move my shit out.